Hello guys, my name is Shivang Tamar. So today we are going to solve power of 4 problem, which is today's Leetcode challenge. So today without wasting any time, let's move towards our question. So in this question we are given an integer and we have to return true if it is a power of 4. Otherwise we have to return false. An integer n is a power of 4 if there exists an integer x such that n double equals to 4 power x. For example, here n equals to 16. So 4 power of 2 is equals to 16. So here exists a number which is 2, we, we, the, due to which it is a power of 4. For example, 4 into 4 equals to 16. 4 means 4 power of 2. Here n is false because it is not a divisor. It is not neither divisible by 4 and neither there exists an integer such that n double equals to 4 power x. Here n equals to 1. Basically this is our base case. So uh, if n equals to 1, then we can also write it that n double equals to 4 power of 0. So 4 power of 0 is 1, so we can take as true. Okay, so let's move to our question. So basically here if n equals to 16, then 4 power of 2 is equals to 16. If n equals to 64, then 4 power of 3 is equals to 64. It is also a power of 4, and n equals to 16 is also a power of 4. But if we talk about the n equals to 32, so it is not a power of 4. Okay, just you can see that 4 into 4 is 16 and 16 into 2. There is neither any other two value which can be multiplied and we can make it as a 4 power of 3. So it is not a power of 4 basically. So here the sequence 1, 4, 16, 64, 256. This type of sequence will move on if we want to find a power of 4. Otherwise, apart from these values, the power of 4 is not present. For example, between 4 and 16, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, these note are a power of 4. Okay, now if we are going to code this, so basically it is an easy problem. So I'm gonna tell you some easy solutions which you can easily understand and implement by your own after watching this video. So basically let's code it. So here we are given a base case that if n equals to 1, so basically if n equals to 1, then we are going to return true. Okay, otherwise we are going to take a loop from 0 to 2 power 31 minus 1. Now if what we are going to do, if 4 star I double star I, which means this relation is equals to n, if double equals to n our value, so we are going to return without any wasting any time true. Otherwise elif if 4 double star I exists exceed this value, this n value, and not any type of this condition has occurred, so basically what we are going to conclude, we are going to conclude that it is false, and in outside we are going to conclude that it is false. So let's run this code. So this code works. So basically this is a very simple problem. This is a very easy level problem. You can see that and you can also see that it is pretty much optimized. It is beating 95% of the total solution of Python 3. Well, you should not believe on these runtimes, lead code runtimes, because these are very random sometimes. Okay. Now the other method of doing this problem is basically we can see that this logarithm of num and 4, this n value and 4 is an integer or not. If it is an integer, so basically we are going to return true, otherwise false. So what we are going to do, if n value is greater than 0 and log of n and 4 is integer. So let's see what happens. So basically this problem also works. So for doing this problem, we can use multiple solution, which may be a bit manipulation, or the method that I have shown earlier, or this one method, this by finding that the log of that value and 4 is an integer or not. So basically these are some logics, and it's a very quite easy problem. Just try it by yourself. You can also make the logic of a problem if you try hard. So thank you and have a nice day, and just become a good coder and software developer. If you like my content, then please like, subscribe my channel, and comment down for any suggestion or any type of comment that you wanted to say me, any type of feedback type. So thank you and have a nice day.